Hello everybody, Kagome Jean here. Welcome back to Poland Gaming's YouTube page. Thank you everybody for joining me tonight. Again, same as last night. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but we're going to have fun. Today we're still going to focus on clearing out the, clearing all the wood and the rocks and stuff from the farm. And then after a couple of cycle days, we're going to go down into the mines and see how far we can get. So far, we've gotten to level 5. My goal is to get up enough gems and stuff like that to make a decent profit from the blacksmith and selling everything. And I want to upgrade my axe and my pickaxe. So, let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, my crops. Oh, who's this? Clint. Breaking some rocks open and finding ore. That's good. If you want to get the most. But I always need to find a furnace. Ding! Yay! You should go change. Sorry guys, that was my husband telling me that I still need to be, that he is still in his work clothing. Snooch the pooch. Let's harvest our crops. No! Shit! I just realized we gotta get all my crap in order. Damn it! There we go. Let's re-till the ground. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and pick everything that's done. I do not need to water the ground. Stop watering the ground in random spots. Got some new ideas to sleep on? Okay, so we're gonna keep, I think we're gonna keep the yellow one and then 2 of the white ones and sell everything. You don't need to water the sales chest. Okay, so we're gonna keep these guys. Let's go ahead and grab some wood and make a chest for special foods. Okay, let's go ahead and make a chest. Okay, and we'll make this one green. Make it light green. Okay. Put that in there. You're gonna take this and put it in there too. Yeah. Move this up here. There we go. Now our food stash is started. Alright, let's get started. Hold on, let me put the watering can. Well, I should probably water these plants. Baby, can you get me my other glasses? These ones are hitting my face. How many have you? One quarter. You are doing your job. Congratulations. Alright. Clear out some trees. Now, our first save up is going to be for a backpack upgrade. I dislike very much not having the space to carry stuff and having to empty my bag every 30 minutes because all of my space is full. Like, right now, I've only got 2 spaces open left. Oh, sorry, guys. I've got to change my glasses. I need to figure out a way to make those hurt less. Here we go. See, now I'm not getting a headache because my glasses aren't. I think it might be the chain. If we're being totally honest, it's probably my glasses chain that's making it so heavy. No, don't. There you go. She is just not doing what I want today, is she? I gotta get used to having to move the cursor and the D-pad. I apologize in advance if you hear talking in the background. That would be my 3-year-old trying to wake up her baby sister. Unless she has already been successful. Got that stuff cleared. Let's take out this tree. Not me trying to take down a tree. Not me attempting to take down a tree with a pickaxe.
I need to go work.
That is how caffeine deprived I am right now.
Coffee.
Thanks to my loving husband, I have coffee next to me that I forgot about. Keep taking down trees. So first we're going to clear off, I want to clear off all of the trees and save up all the wood because I know we're going to use it all. And I'm going to save up as many of the seeds as I can because I noticed the ones that are the hardest to find are actually the acorns. And I want to have an abundance of those before I start making field snacks. Because I want to have, I'm dedicating one corner of the farm to, we're dedicating one corner of the farm to growing trees. I'm going to have a whole little tree farm. I have an idea of how we're going to do it too. Can't wait till I'm higher level and my energy levels go up. I cannot stand the fact that I drain so fast. Oh, not much. Let's do what we can while we can. Clear this one. Take that. does my notification say? Craft a furnace. Okay, I need to get a lot of supplies from the mine before I can craft my first furnace. We're doing pretty good. I think I can maybe take down one more tree. Then we have to go to sleep. Again with the pickaxe. Choppy, choppy, choppy. My sources tell me you've been poking around inside the old community center. Why don't you pay me a visit? My chambers are west of the forest lake in the stone tower. I may have information concerning your rat problem. M. Resmudius Wizard. Probably did not say that right. Jesus, how many people are writing me letters? Loving the puppy. You can't live on the puppy. It makes me sad. Yay! I think I might actually start using the sprinklers. I never used the sprinklers in any of my other worlds because I always felt like it was just too much work. Okay. Nothing else. Aha! I know exactly where this axe is, too. Ooh, what are you? Potato! Potato. I'm gonna pop you into there, Mr. Potato. Do I have any more random seeds? I don't. Keep it going. But does that mean Grandpa's not dead? Wait, what? I did a what now? What power? I can learn power? Call me clueless. I was unaware that you could get powers out of the... wrong with you? I've got to get used to that. Sorry, my music. That's my music. Ooh, I got a geode! Yay! I'm getting there, y'all. Under the tiny trees. Got to love the puppy.
What you say, babe?
I said I got to love the puppy. They're holding the egg festival.
Oh, so you're in Easter.
Spring. Let's go get some seeds. I think I need 40. Let's go see what we can collect off the beach, y'all. Ooh, flower. I'm totally gonna take that. Money is money. I got a flower. Oh, I forgot another puppy star. My bad. Bears. I did not mean to give that to you, sorry. Alright, y'all, I think once I get these fish, wow, that's how tired I am. I think once I buy these seeds from the shop, I'm gonna end up calling it for tonight. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It is a shorter one, so I apologize for that. We're gonna get 4 of you guys. We'll get 40. There we go. And 40 of the parsnips. So let's go ahead and get back to the house and save. And then we're going to go ahead and call it. I am currently falling asleep sitting here. Gotta find a better way, a better time to do my videos so I'm not so tired. course, I'd love to play for you guys for more than 20 or 30 minutes at a time. That's to manage my time better. It's a cauliflower. We're gonna save this cauliflower seed. Okay, we're gonna... go ahead and save, and then that will be it for me for the day. Not too bad. The progress has been saved. Woo! Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching my video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. I will do my absolute best to post at least twice a week, but I make no guarantees. Having 4 babies is exhausting. If you like what you see, like what you saw, want more content, go ahead and follow me here on YouTube, and then follow me over on TikTok at Kagome Jean, where I will, from here on, be posting announcements of new videos. And occasionally live streaming, but that genuinely depends on my Wi-Fi here. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like down below, or a comment if you think I should change something. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful night.